a group of attorneys hold court at William Dandy Middle as the school's pre-law magnet program welcomes a group of lawyers to the campus. The visit allowed the students to hear from these accomplished professionals in the field, all in an effort to give the kids some insight into this career and encourage them to go after their dreams.
Today we're featuring our law program here at William Dandy Middle School. We have a group of lawyers who came down from the Chicago Bar Association. We had approximately 20 lawyers on campus who had a presentation and some interactive sessions with students in our pre-law magnet program. So the lawyers came down, they were able to interact with the students were able to ask questions about law because most of our students in this program, or all we hope, are planning on pursuing a career in law itself.
To stoke that interest, the visit included a group presentation as well as breakout sessions, where the lawyers explained the different fields of law available to the students, as well as answer any questions they had about this career.
Today we did a number of things. We came out and we had a PowerPoint presentation. We all introduced ourselves, trying to show that we were all diverse. We talked about different things. We had one-on-one questions with the students. It took a little while for them to break the ice, but once they did, the questions started flowing, and so we were able to answer them and be a little more personal and one-on-one with them.
Well, they said that there were a lot of variety of law, like insurance law, torts, contracts, entertainment, of course, and it helped me because it helped give me a variety of what I want to do, not just one set path. Like, you can do multiple things.
I didn't really know a lot about all the different categories of law, and I even today got to know one that I might actually want to do. The guy there, he's a litigator, and I want to be a litigator now that I've heard more about what he does.
But the day went even further, as the students participated in a mock trial in front of the attorneys. Here, they acted out the different roles in court and got feedback and tips from the professionals watching, which turned out to be an incredible learning experience.
Having the kids go through a mock trial in front of actual lawyers who work in the profession on a daily basis, it is awesome. You cannot replace that with anything else. You talk about hands-on, or you talk about, direct impact. That's what we hope to accomplish from this particular piece, and I think that's what we've accomplished.
Well, they asked us to critique, to offer them, I think, some things that maybe from a different perspective, being trial lawyers, maybe some things that we have learned through time. Things like not moving around the courtroom or moving with more of a purpose. Maybe how they project, maybe how they stand with their posture, maybe the organization of their argument in terms of content. So I think just trying to offer them a little bit different perspective than their instructors have given them so far.
It was nerve-wracking. It was very, kind of scary in a way. But once I got up there, I felt so much better. It kind of came natural because, I practiced it, but when it comes down to it, you're really, fidgety. But it was fun because I got to learn more from what they said. So they kind of guided me into the right path of what I should do when I'm up there next time.
And that guidance extended beyond the trial tips, as just exposing these students to the possibility of law as a career can have a big impact as well, especially at such an influential age.
The kids right now are extremely impressionable. I have a middle school daughter. I know what they're like. They start setting their sights, and they can go either way. And so it's really important to plant that seed now so it's something that they can continue to think about as they get older.
Many kids this age, they don't know what they want to do when they get older. So this gives them that little push of just in case, if you want to be a lawyer and this opens your eyes to something that you could do, this gave me a wide variety to choose from.
And eye-opening is a great way to describe the attorney's visit to William Dandy, both for the students and even the lawyers who got to meet these motivated kids.
I thought it was a really fun experience, something that we haven't done in a while. How we had visitors coming in and telling us what they do. It was a very new experience here at William Dandy.
I thought it was great. I didn't know coming into what it was going to be like, who I was going to meet, what I was going to learn, but in the outcome, it exceeded my expectations of what was going to happen.
It's amazing to see their talent and to see that they already get it, that their grades matter, that their performance matter, from the way they were dressed to the way that they held themselves is impressive. And I feel like I'm going to see those people again maybe on a local level or a national level, but they are destined for greatness for sure.
Not my father. When he was a mastermind behind a horrible act and even had the fake guns to commit it.
Broward School Beat can be seen right here on BECON-TV. Invest in yourself.